gas calibration services out of Carmel, Indiana. All right, so today we have a customer who dropped off his 2020 Mazda CX-30. He said out of nowhere his forward collision alert was going off and his adaptive cruise control wasn't working anymore. So he dropped it off for us to look at. We're gonna use our handy dandy Autel system as always to get this vehicle calibrated and back on the road safe. Come on. Hey guys, so the first step in every calibration is to check the placard on the driver's side door. We want to top off or lower, make sure the tire PSI is at what the manufacturer wants it at. With this vehicle, it's 36 on the front and the rear. Then we want to put a battery tender on the battery for while we're doing the calibrations to make sure that battery stays healthy. And then we just want to make sure any other fluids and things of that nature are topped off before we hook up to the OBD port and get going with the calibration. That pretty much does it for this video. So with this one, it was the forward-facing sensors. Sometimes you don't know exactly what happens, but those get censored enough and they actually will stop working and they need to be reprogrammed and reset. And then once you do that, it's back off and running and they're working properly. So join us next time.